So hello everyone, imagine this. You have received a new WhatsApp message from your lead and automatically the record of that inquiry, the message, has been created in your Google Sheets to create a systematic record. This is possible without need of any coding and programming skills. You just need this amazing software that is Pabbly Connect, using which you are going to build the connection between your WhatsApp and Google Sheets. Now, whenever you will receive a new message on your WhatsApp by your lead or by your customer, automatically the record is created in the Google Sheets. So, if you want to learn the entire process step by step of how you can create the connection as well, for that I am going to take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So first of all, let me show you how this amazing automation is going to work in real time. Okay, so this is the WhatsApp business number of mine, and towards this number I will send a WhatsApp message from my side. So let me ask a question. Let's suppose a very simple question, that is, I need help. Okay, so this is just a simple line that I'm writing. I will send this right here. As soon as I forwarded this message towards my WhatsApp number, let me open my Google Sheets now. And on my Google Sheets, you can see the record has been created. This is the ID number right over here. This is the ID number. Name is Angel. Phone number, this is the mobile number of the person, and the message was, I need help. Okay, so this is how automatically the record of the WhatsApp messages that you receive from your lead or customer is going to be created in your Google Sheets. So now let us create the connection between these two applications without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. On a new tab, browse the website of Pabbly Connect, that is www.pabbly.com/connect, and Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Now, before we create this amazing automation, I want to let you know about Pabbly Community. Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space, you can get help not just from our team members but also the fellow users. In this space, you can ask questions, share your ideas and feedbacks, and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly community today. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. Okay, so now on Pabbly Connect's landing page, there are two major options, that is sign in or sign up for free. If you're a new user, that means you do not have an account with us, directly sign up for free from here and get 100 free credits every month. I'm already a user, so I'm going to directly sign in to my Pabbly Connect account from here. Then you will see the all Pabbly apps section where you will see all the applications that Pabbly provides. As I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, I will click on this access now button, and then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Now to create a new automation, click on this create workflow button. Over here, if you want your workflow to be more modern, faster and flexible, select the new beta method version. But if you want your workflow to have more stable and familiar approach, select the classic version. I will select the new beta method version from here, and firstly it is asking for the name of my workflow. So for the name of the workflow, I'm going to give it as Save WhatsApp Inquiries in Google Sheets. For the folder, these are the folders. To create your own folder, click on this plus button. I'm going to save it inside Workflows folder and click on this create button. As now this workflow has been created, there are two major steps inside Pabbly Connect, that is trigger and action. Trigger gives the commands and action follows them simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple action inside a workflow. We are going to set up a trigger step first, in which for my trigger application, I will select over here as WhatsApp Cloud API. I am managing my WhatsApp conversations using WhatsApp Cloud API. So over here, what is going to happen, that as soon as a new WhatsApp message is going to be received on my business account, automatically through WhatsApp Cloud API, this trigger is going to capture the response of that event is going to be message notification. Through this, we can capture the response of the new message. Click on this connect button, then you will receive this webhook URL, and using this URL, we are going to create the connection between WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect. So simply copy this URL and click on this hyperlink given here below in the help desk. As you're going to do that, you will land towards the Pabbly forum page, in which you will learn how you can first create this API setup of WhatsApp Cloud API the way I've created right over here, and then you will learn how you can generate a permanent token for your business, and then you will see the steps in order to connect your WhatsApp Cloud API inside Trigger with Pabbly. Okay, so now over here, if I'm going to scroll down, you will find this configuration step right over here. As you've already had this webhook URL, log into your WhatsApp Cloud API setup page. Now from the left side of the panel, go towards the configuration section right here. Okay, and under WhatsApp, you will find the configuration section. Under configuration, it is asking for the callback URL, and this is the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect is asking for. So, and this is the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us. So, I'm going to enter the URL right over here. And for the token, in the help desk, you will find the token. Simply copy this token from here, from the forum, and paste over here in the field. Okay. And then click on this verify and save button. And this is how you build the connection between Pabbly Connect and WhatsApp Cloud API. Okay. So as now this connection has been created successfully, over here in my workflow, it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether this connection has been successfully created or not, I'm going to send a new WhatsApp message right here to this business number. So let's suppose my new message is new message. So I'm going to write over here as new test message. Okay, I'm going to send this message right here, new test message. As soon as I forwarded this message right away, if I'm going to go back to my workflow, I'll wait over here for a few seconds for the response to be captured. It takes few seconds for response to come. Okay, and you can see in front of you the response has been captured. We have received the response A. In the response A, you can see right over here what we have received. We have received the object, the ID. You can see we have received the meta phone number ID. We have received the display phone number ID, messaging product. Over here you can see the type is text. Over here timestamp, this is the time that the message was received to us. The text is what? New test message. That is what we have forwarded. And you can see right over here, this is the message ID that I wanted. Over here, this is from the phone number from which we have received the message. Over here, the profile name is Angel, field is messages. Okay, so as now the response has been captured over here in my trigger, this means that WhatsApp Cloud API, that means WhatsApp, our WhatsApp business account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now, whenever a new message is going to be received on our business account, WhatsApp business account, automatically this trigger is going to capture the response of that. Now, let us shift this WhatsApp message in our Google Sheets. For that, add an action step. And for the action application, select over here as Google Sheets. Event is going to be add new row. Click on this connect button. Over here, this window is going to appear. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before, but I'll tell you how you can add a new one. For that, click on this sign in with Google button. It is asking for us to select an account that you want to connect to Pabbly Connect. This is the account. And then it is asking for the permission for the account, for which I'm going to click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. For the spreadsheet, I'm going to select over here the spreadsheet in the name of WhatsApp messages. So I'm going to select the spreadsheet from the drop down. Sheet is going to be sheet 1 because that's the only sheet that I've created. Now, what are these 4 fields? These are the headers that I've created over here. You can see in the spreadsheet, in which we are going to keep the record, under which we are going to keep the record of the message, person name, phone number and everything. Okay, so now for that, what we are going to do is we're going to map the data. Click on this field, previous step is going to appear, click on it. Okay, this is the response that was captured in our previous step. It is asking for the ID number, and this is the ID that we have received. So I'm going to select the data of the message ID from my previous response. As I've selected this data from my previous response, this data has been mapped, and as I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. In the similar manner, I'm going to map the data of the name of the person, the phone number of the person from where we have received the message. So I'm going to map the data. And lastly, we have to map the data of the message. Okay, after filling in all the details, you can also add more data according to your requirement. I'm going to simply click on this save and send test request button. I have received this response. As I've received the ID, that is the positive response. And in my Google Sheets, you can see right over here, the record has been successfully created. In the response, you can see I've received the ID number, name is Angel, this is the phone number, and the message is new test message that we have forwarded. Okay, so as now this record has been created, this is how the connection between WhatsApp and Google Sheets has been created. You can save your customers' inquiries directly in Google Sheets without you lifting up your finger. Automatically, all the record is going to be systematically in order, is going to be added in your spreadsheet. Okay, so this is how this amazing automation works in real time, and this is how you create this automation without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. Now, whenever you will receive a WhatsApp message on your business account, automatically the trigger WhatsApp Cloud API message notification is going to capture the response of that, and from the trigger to action Google Sheets add new record add euro, the record of that message with the customer details, message ID, everything is going to be created in our Google Sheets. So this is how you build this amazing connection using Pabbly Connect. If you want to use this workflow as a reference in your business, you will find the workflow link in the description section below. And if you have any other questions or doubts related to this workflow that I've created in this video, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we will reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button down there.